Don't ever let anyone make you feel like you're a fill. You're a full set. Period. Period. Welcome to Bad and Motherfucking Bougie Bitch Nail Edition. Oh. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Shayna Violet. I was sent some nails from this company called Nailed by Demi, and guys, these nails, I have to tell you, they are so bougie. And the website is Pressed by Demi. She actually sent me a nail kit, and basically you just measure out your size and you just tell her which nail size is yours. You're gonna get these instructions when you order from Demi as well, because you will be ordering once you see these nails. You also get a little nail kit. So it came in this beautiful box. Looks like you got a necklace, like he went to Jared kind of thing. Ooh, Jared. I really don't want to show you guys. I really like when I keep this to myself. But you know what? Bad and Bougie is not just for one person, okay? That's just everybody 2019. So also, these lashes are from her as well. So yes, guys, I learned how to put on lashes, and now I can't function without them. I'm really sad that that happened, because I was doing so good. I was just natural. And now I'm just like, just a little makeup. There we go. Look at that, y'all. Tell me this is not dope. I don't know who I am. I'm just gonna be walking around with LV nails like, waiter. Even though we're not even a restaurant. Because that's the way we live when we bad and bougie. Whew, Chile. Let's get back on track. So, let's get right into these nails, guys, because we're trying to be, what? Bad and motherfucking bougie, bitch. Okay? Alright, so that is going to be it for this video, guys. Now you see why I had to get, you know, a little spicy for y'all, because these nails, honey, these nails are beautiful. And my pruny alien fingers, cute. Demi has so many other dope ones, and you can send her inspiration. And if you want a discount, my coupon code is right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and make sure you check out Nailed by Demi. Her Instagram is Nailed by Demi, so go ahead and follow her. And in the meantime, go ahead and follow me for more tutorials. Hopefully I get some more bomb nails, And maybe I can do like a nail unboxing for you guys, like get a couple of sets and go to town. Thanks again for watching, guys. See you in my next video.